stop AJO. Or at least stop relying on it as one of your main saving strategy. And before you come for me, let me explain. AJO has real benefits, but it also has limitations. For anyone who wouldn't grow up with it, AJO, some people call it Isusu. We have different names for it. I know AJO and Isusu. It's a traditional Nigerian or even African savings circle where a group of people contribute a fixed amount every week or month, and each person takes turns collecting the full pot, the full amount. It is community-based, it builds discipline, and it has helped millions of people stay accountable with their money. One of the biggest advantages is that it gives you a lump sum when you need it. If you're the first or the second person to collect, the full pot, it can act like an interest-free loan that you can use to fund big expenses like, say, house deposits for your mortgage, or even school fees, or starting a business. And this is especially for people who struggle to save a large amount of money on their own. Okay, now that we've talked about the benefits, let's talk about the problem. You see, the main problem is that AJO doesn't grow your money. AJO doesn't protect your money. Let's say in the UK, for example, where inflation is high and financial tools that you can use are advanced, AJO puts you at a disadvantage. Imagine contributing £200 every month in a year. In AJO, you get back 2,400 at the end of the year or at the end of the period. But in the UK, that £2,400 will be worth less by the time you collect it. If one person in the group loses their job or disappears, the whole system collapses. There is no protection for your money in AJO. I have done AJO only once in my life, and it is here in the UK, and it's within the family. And I ensured that I picked first. Not because I needed it, but because that's the only way it will make sense to me. I have a very good savings culture, so I can save up if I needed, a lump sum. Immediately I received my lump sum, I invested it in the stock market because I asked myself, why would I do it pick last? Because it's not like I need it, for some projects. So if you do not have a project that needs funding immediately, then don't stop your money from growing. Don't contribute it where you would have to pick the same amount that you've contributed during the period. I struggle to understand why you will want to do that. Even if the bank is going to give you 1%, it's still best to be in the bank. If you will be picking last, you can as well. That's how I say. So instead of relying on a system that gives you zero growth, automate your savings with banking tools. You don't need any middleman, and there is no risk. There is no drama. There is no fear that one person may be financially challenged, thereby impacting everyone in the group. Also, make sure you use high interest savings account. Shop around. Don't just stop with the first bank or where you have your salary account. Shop around. And I always encourage people in the UK, for example, to use Money Savings Experts Guidance. I'll leave the link in the description box. It compares different savings rates and it is always, updated. Then lastly, start micro investing, even if it is with very small amounts. You don't need 500 or 1,000 pounds to start. You can start with 10 pounds, you can start with 20 pounds. You can buy index fund, which basically means you're investing into so many companies at once. That's always a safe place to start if you don't have any idea about investing. I have a video on how to start your investment journey. I'll link it here for you to see. This will give you more returns than AJO can ever match. A simple example, if you save £200 monthly in AJO for 12 months, you get 2,400. If you invest the same 200 monthly in a fund, in an index fund, returning say 8% annually on the average, you would end up with more than 2,500. The same discipline, which is putting your money aside, but better outcome. AJO taught us discipline because you definitely will need that discipline, but you need to upgrade to growing your money, not just storing it. I know some people will say, you know what, I'll just save. I'll just put my money in the bank and save. No, okay, now that she says AJO is not good, I won't do AJO, but I'll just save my money, And this is largely because they think investing is complex. When I say we'll start micro investing or not, I don't think it's a big deal. I have a video that would guide you through starting your first investment. And that's the video you should see next. And I'll see you in that video.